All right, and moving on, while embarrassment and global humiliation is not new for Islamabad, Pakistan's Defence Minister Khwaja Asif's candid admission in Parliament about being exploited by allies like the United States is making global headlines.
He didn't mince any words there. Khwaja Asif was speaking in Pakistan's National Assembly, which was discussing the suicide blast in Islamabad last week. Halfway into his speech, Khwaja Asif raised the issue of Pakistan's participation in the two Afghan wars and called it a grave miscalculation.
But the real embarrassment hit when he confessed that US had treated Pakistan worse than a toilet paper. He blamed Washington for using Islamabad for a purpose and throwing it away like a toilet paper. Further, he admitted that US backing had long-term negative consequences, a price which Islamabad is paying till date.
मैं अभी अपने फोन पे जो है यूनाइटेड नेशंस में तकरीर की हुई है हिलरी क्लिंटन, उसने सब कुछ बयान किया हुआ है। वो इस पे चलाएं इसके ऊपर कि किस तरह पाकिस्तान को उन्होंने इस्तेमाल किया। लैंडमार्क तकरीर है उसकी, और वो किस तरह एक टिश्यू पेपर की तरह, टिश्यू पेपर तो फिर भी टॉयलेट पेपर की तरह हमें छोड़ गई यहां पे।
Khwaja Asif also admitted that the anti-Soviet war in Afghanistan in the 1980s was driven by American geopolitical interests and the circumstances never warranted a declaration of jihad.
Now, just when lawmakers were recovering from this bombshell admission, Khwaja Asif dropped another shocker. He admitted that Pakistan does not properly honor its soldiers killed in action and that politicians often don't even attend their funerals. Listen to this.
जनाब स्पीकर, ये सोचने का मुकाम है कि हम अपने सियासी मफाद, मैं खुदा की कसम किसी को ब्लेम नहीं कर रहा, अपने सियासी मफादात को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए अपने पैठी, अपने जो गोल्स जो हैं इक्तदार के हसूल के लिए हम उनके जनाजों में भी नहीं जाते.
This is not the first time that the Pakistani Defence Minister has made an embarrassing admission. Just last year, in an interview to a British news channel, Khwaja Asif admitted that Pakistan supported terrorist groups for 3 decades. He said, we've been doing this dirty work for the US for a number of decades now. Back then, he had labelled it as dirty work on the behalf of the West.